Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Fidelity Fractional Shares, a comprehensive tutorial designed to help you understand and navigate this innovative investing option. Fractional shares allow you to purchase a portion of a stock, rather than a whole share, making it more accessible and affordable for investors. To get started, you need to have a Fidelity brokerage account, which you can easily open online or through their mobile app. Once you have an account, you can begin exploring the world of fractional shares. Fidelity offers fractional shares on a wide range of stocks, including popular names and index funds. The process of buying fractional shares is similar to buying whole shares. You simply need to specify the dollar amount you want to invest, rather than the number of shares. For example, if you want to invest $100 in a stock that costs $500 per share, Fidelity will purchase a fraction of the share. In this case, 1/5 of a share. One of the key benefits of fractional shares is that it allows you to diversify your portfolio. Even with limited funds, you can invest in multiple stocks and funds, without having to worry about the high cost of whole shares. Additionally, fractional shares can help reduce the impact of market volatility, as you can invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the share price. When buying fractional shares, it is essential to understand the concept of settlement funds. Settlement funds refer to the amount of money available in your account to cover the cost of your investments. You need to have sufficient settlement funds in your account to cover the cost of your fractional share purchases. To make the most of fractional shares, it is recommended that you adopt a long-term investment strategy. This involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the market conditions. You should also consider setting up a diversified portfolio by investing in a mix of stocks, bonds, and other asset classes. In conclusion, Fidelity Fractional Shares offer a flexible and affordable way to invest in the stock market. By understanding the concept of fractional shares and following best practices, you can make informed investment decisions and achieve your long-term financial goals. Remember to always do your research, set clear investment objectives, and consult with a financial advisor if needed. With Fidelity Fractional Shares, you can take the first step towards building a diversified portfolio and securing your financial future.